course, the Entertainer. Today I'm here to give you guys my reaction on Jigsaw the movie. It's supposed to be set to come out in October. You guys, now, I don't watch a lot of these type of movies because of the fact that it's more gore than horror. This movie was pretty much the biggest movie of all time worldwide. It sold, I think, 110 million worldwide, and like 58 million in the US and 48 million in other countries. But I was also behind Friday the 13th because that was the second biggest grossing movie. The person who produced this movie is named James Wayne. He also produced and directed movies like Conjure, Insidious, and Annabella, which is coming out in I think August. But you guys, like, the movies he do is really amazing. He does a really good job doing horror movies. Let's get straight to this reaction. Now, if you guys got a hamburger, cheeseburger, McDonald's burger, or any type of meat in your hand, put it down. I suggest if you got a bad stomach or a weak stomach, you don't want to watch this while you're eating your food. Let's get straight to this, because you're going to be grossed out for a week. Hey! Woo! Nice. Yeah, to show some ass. They know what they were doing. Try to catch y'all attention. Wrong thing.
Any identification on the victim? There's a piece. But Jigsaw has been dead for 10 weeks.
It's not him. Can't be.
This was on the body. The truth will set you free.
Oh, y'all remember that clock? Woo! Means your life is over with when you see that. There goes them saws.
I'm chasing a dead man. It's the copycat.
Okay. That's a lot of saws. Whew.
Live or die.
Oh!
The choice is yours.
You know what happens if we don't...
Is that a shotgun? Somebody forgot.
The blood under the fingernails of our victim, John Kramer's the Jigsaw killer.
That's impossible.
Dang! Hey, that was like close to her head. Oh my gosh. OMG! Ooh, did somebody hit him in the private part? Hey, this is crazy. There it goes.
No, it's not creepy at all.
Oh, dang. What? Jigsaw. Whew, that's going to be gory. I already can see it. Listen, okay, when you see that little thing on a bicycle rolling towards you, that means your life is over with. So you got to make a last call to your loved ones to let them know that you finna die. I don't know what else to say about this movie. All I know is this is a great director. He produces good movies. You guys, if you guys love like gore, I'm talking about really nasty gore movies like Hostel. You guys remember that? You know, if you like those type of movies, watch this movie because I think it'll be a great movie. But if you don't like gore, but you love horror, don't watch the movie, because if you're gonna have a weak stomach and you're gonna throw up, like they're gonna think you got the Ebola virus. Okay, so guys, if you like this trailer, comment below, send your comments, let me know what you think. I think it'll be a great movie once again. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever it is. Thank you for watching. I'm your boy, of course, the Entertainer. And also, if you got something negative to say, I got a pencil with an eraser on it. I'll just erase your comments away. You're just spending all your time for no reason at all. Anyways, see you soon.
Here goes another damn reaction.